So here's an option for a great landscape truck. Now this truck is a 18-foot long bed, but it's flat from here to here, so that's 14 feet, and then you've got a 4-foot dovetail. Now these sides do come down. I'm going to take them down for you real quick so you can see. So that makes it a lot easier to put pallets, put your zero turns. There you've got a lock cage up top, so you can put your lunch boxes, small tools, etc. up there. Now down here below, I can also put some toolboxes down there for chains or anything else that you might use. This is a gas truck. This is a Chevrolet 4500, so it is a gas truck. This is a great truck for under $38,000. I mean, I'm sorry, $39,000. It's $38,172. Unless you've got special group association discount, or if you are got a cap account, which those who have one would know what those are. And I'm going to show you, they come down on both sides. There you go. So if you're looking for a great landscape truck, this is 96 inches wide. So like I said, you can put your zero turns on here with no problem. You got tie downs here. You can put lawnmowers down there and it will hold them. Obviously I wouldn't put a zero turn, but you might stick your weed eaters or something else down there and tie them down. And then of course this is a solid ramp, so it doesn't split. Some of them that I put on do split into two sections, but this particular one is a solid one. So if you're looking for a landscape truck, this is actually only one in the area, because I've checked, and if you check around you'll find out there's hardly like none of these out there. And you can order them, but they'll take you 12, 14 weeks to get. So we've got these in stock. I've got this one, and I can provide a 3500 gas crew regular cab. I'm going to show you the inside real quick. There you go. May not be able to see because of the light here. Let's see if we can. There we go. And those who've got these trucks kind of know what all they do. Now, the other option that I have that other people do not have is while many are waiting on the 2020s to come out with the lane change assist, the blind side assist, etc. 7-inch touchscreen. That is on hold from Isuzu right now. However, I can do it aftermarket, so it doesn't matter if it's a 17, 18, or 19. I can definitely get you the safety technologies that you're looking for. The only exception is Isuzu, from the manufacturer, using Mobileye, they can do automatic braking. The aftermarket solution I have cannot do the automatic braking, but if you do want all the lane change assist, pedestrian awareness, warning, and others, then let me know. I can get that for you. Now that's easily done. Right now it looks like it's $1,600 additional option. And so if you'd like to do that, be sure and let me know. Bob Pierce at Mark Allen Chevrolet, in the commercial division, 918-600-8947.